Good morning, sir.
Yes, today we are going to learn about gram staining. So in this subtopic, you know what a gram staining is and the type of staining we normally apply in this particular stain. So gram staining is just a method of staining we normally use to classify bacteria into two broad groups, either gram positive or gram negative. So the types of staining we normally use, there are two types of staining. We simply say the differential staining. The simple stain is just you apply one staining, and the differential stain you apply two constructing stain to bring contrast or to bring visibility on that specific organism or bacteria. So we want to go on a broad note on how we can, on how we want to understand a simple stain in a better way. Simple stain we normally use to visualize the shape, arrangement, and the morphology of a bacteria. So, in shape of the bacteria, we should know how the bacteria look like. For example, we have the rod-shaped bacteria. This is a bacillus. They normally appear to be rod if you observe them in a microscope. And we have the coca. They normally appear in spherical shape when you observe them in a microscope. And we have also the spirillum, the spiral shape, the spirillum. And lastly, we have the vibrio. Vibrio, it is a common shape. I think those ones are the only shape you should know on a bacteria. They are the major one. So we have some miscellaneous ones which I need you to go and do a research on them. Yes, my student, you have a question?
Yes, I do have a question.
Yeah, can you
Okay,
tell me?
kindly, teacher, I would like you to give me an example of a stain that is used in doing a simple staining.
Simple stain.
Yes.
Example was we
Yeah.
have several stain, but I will give you. We can use even a crystal violet. It is a stain. That's an example
Okay.
of a stain. So don't confuse.
Okay.
Good. So those are the major shape of that bacteria you should know as a student. The remaining are the miscellaneous one, but those one are also important for you to know. So we want to go straight on the structure. The structure of bacteria. We want to know if you how you can identify this is a gram-negative bacteria or this one is a gram-positive bacteria. We will only look the thickness or the thinness of the cell wall of the bacteria, whereby if it is, it will be a bacillus or a salmonella. So in a structure, I want to give you, it is a gram-negative, for example. So gram-negative normally have a thick peptidoglycan or a cell wall. I know the term peptidoglycan is a term you will not understand. So you can use a cell wall. And gram positive, it have a thick peptidoglycan or a cell wall, thick cell wall. So that is what you should know about the structure of the bacteria. In terms of arrangement, we have several arrangement of this bacteria. The bacteria are arranged into, we have some which are arranged into pairs, they come in pairs, some are in clusters, some appear in chain. So those one, for example, we have the Diplococcus. Diplococcus normally appear in two. That's what it means it disappear in pairs. And we have the Staphylococcus. They appear in cluster. You will see it is a cluster in shape. They have a cluster appearance. And the Streptococcus, it will appear in a chain-like lines. You will just see it very clear when if you observe it microscopically. So that is what you should know on about the So I want to jump straight away on how we can do a procedure or we can perform the staining. For example, you must have the reagent if you want to do any staining. You cannot just come straight away from where you are and you want to do a staining without a reagent. That one you will do a work. You should have the reagent. These reagents are the crystal violet. You can tell me some of the reagents you know.
Okay. Okay, you have named one of it, being crystal violet stain. That's a primary stain. Number 2, we have an iodine. That's acts as a mordant. Okay, and then number 3, we do have an acetone. Acetone, that one is nini. Okay, colorizer. And then we have lastly we have counter stain. Counter stain. Mostly we use safranin, or rather neutral red.
Very good.
Yeah.
I like that. We have the 4 reagents, specifically there are 4. We have the crystal violet, iodine, used as a mordant, and we have the alcohol acetone, which we normally use as a decolorizer, and the last we have the neutral red or the safranin, normally give us we counter check the result. Good. So that is what you should know about the procedure on how you conduct. You can conduct a gram stain, and you should not come with your own way. You want to start with a crystal. You have to start with a neutral red if you want to do a staining. You just follow. You must follow the first step up to the last step for your result to be effective. Sawa.
Yeah.
I think we all understood, and if you have not understood, you can come. You personally, I explain for you a bit part of it. Otherwise, any question? Silence means there's no question. So the class is John. We meet on our next lesson. Thank you.
Asante.